When I went to bed last night, I was really looking forward to today because this is just one of the many things that I do in my new profession. New, it's not so new anymore after 15 years, but it's one of the many things that I do that I really love and look forward to. Like today, when I got up this morning, like I said, I was really looking forward to this because I was going to make some videos because I love making videos. Sometimes when I'm sitting at home, instead of just sitting around doing nothing, I'm either reading or try to watch a little television. I like watching a good movie every now and then, but I like to do a lot of writing. If you follow me for any length of time now, you know that I've written a lot of articles, I got podcasts, I've written books, and it's because I just love that. And sometimes my wife will tell me, you need to stop working so much. And I'm like, I'm not working. This isn't work for me. I love this. I really look forward to this. And so why am I telling you this? Because when I was in a company that I really loved, and if you follow me for any length of time now, you know that company was Nike. I worked at Nike for 12 years, great company. It was such a difficult decision to leave, but I was hopeful and I was determined to find my perfect combination in life. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. I found the perfect combination. And that's what enables me to get up every day and really be excited about what I'm doing. Of course, there are little things in every career, in every profession, in anything that you do that you don't like to do. But by and large, when I get up in the morning, I'm really happy. And so there's 4 things that I found in this perfect combination. First of all, is to find something that you really love to do. And I found it. And this is backed by something that I'll talk to you about in another video, which is my mission. I really believe that my mission in life is to help as many people as I can using my communicative skills to improve their quality of life. Now, I have further defined that because that's another video about how to define your specific objectives. So I have a specific number of people that I would like to help. And I'm not going to tell you right now because it might scare you, or you might think, wow, that's just crazy. But I have this in my mind, so to use my communicative skills to help as many people as I can to improve their quality of life. And I also have a good idea of how that is, how that pans out, what that means to help people to improve their quality of life. And that's why I do what I do. And that's what guides me every day. So I'm doing something. I love to speak in public. I do motivational speeches. I love to write. I've written books. I've written articles. I love to communicate. Speaking is one thing. Communicating is another. I love to communicate. That's why I love being on stage. But not just for me. It's about what I communicate to the people that I'm standing in front of, or the people that I'm sitting in front of right now, for example, in this video. So I love communicating. So writing, speaking, doing audio, video courses, books, a whole lot of different stuff. So, and everything that I do every day goes in one of those directions. Also do coaching, try to do seminars. So I'm doing all those things. So first of all is to find something that you really love. And so, when you talk about writing and speaking and everything, of course you have to have something to write or speak about. So, that's the thing that I love, is to help people to bring out their best, to improve their quality of life by reaching their goals, by accomplishment. And that's what I love to talk about. And talk about motivation and inspire people to get off their butts and take action. That's what I love to do. So first of all, the first thing in the perfect combination is to find what it is you really love. The second thing is, which sometimes limits people, sometimes people will say, well, I know what I'd like to do, but how do you do that? How do you turn that into a profession? That's the second thing. Turn what you love into a profession. It's possible. It's possible. I can tell you so many stories about people who are doing things that you would not believe how you could turn something like that into a profession. The first thing that hit me some years ago was when I saw a woman. She sells preschool courses teaching women who stay at home how to create a preschool in their home. I also saw another activity of a lady who helps people, check this out. She makes video courses teaching people, or women primarily, mothers, how to make bows for their daughter's hair. I was like, how can you make a business out of that? And she's doing it. She's selling video courses like that. Unbelievable. There's a woman who's taught her daughters how to make money online. There are people who are teaching people how to make money online. That's probably a no-brainer. Here's another one that I'm going to be talking a lot about in the future. There's a guy who is doing something that is so amazing. He has a business. It's really actually a nonprofit business, but he goes and rescues children that are victims of sex trafficking. He's a former Navy SEAL. He's put together a team of former CIA agents and FBI agents, and with their intelligence finding capabilities, they go find those bastards who are actually out there trafficking kids. And he goes and finds them and brings those kids home. Isn't that amazing? So what I'm saying is, find first of all what it is you're passionate about. I remember when I was in college, and I was in my second year, I was in my sophomore year, and I was trying to decide what I wanted to major in because I still hadn't decided yet. And I was talking to my professor, one of my professors, and I said, you know what, I don't know if I should go in this direction, if I should go in that direction. And because, in this direction, I could probably make more money, but this is the direction I really, really like. And he was like, you're thinking about it all wrong. He said, just do what you love. If you do what you love and you become as good at it as you possibly can, the money will come. Don't worry about the money now. Think about what it is you love. And so it's possible to take what you love and to make that a profession. If you believe it's possible, then there's a good possibility that will be. If you don't think it's possible, then there's a good probability that for you that it will never be possible. You have to first believe it. It is possible. Find somebody who's doing that. Find somebody who can help you to do that. Okay? So that's the second thing. So then after you've done that, you've found what you love, after you've made it a profession, and you're making a profession, and this is my personal situation, by helping people. It's not about you. It's not, what I do, it's not about me. It's about helping people to accomplish more and achieve more in their lives. That's why I do what I do. That's what I'm passionate about. Some people will watch this and say, come on, that's just a bunch of bull crap. You can say whatever you want, but that's the reason I believe I'm here. That's what prompted me and pushed me to leave a company that I really love and that I still have in my heart today. That's what pushed me to do that. So you do what you love, you make it a profession, you're helping people at the same time. And then the fourth thing to put the icing on the cake is to say, now, not only am I doing that, but I'm also making a good living at it. And what better combination is there? That is so great. It's so great. And that's what enables me to get up every day and be excited about what I'm doing. Like I said, there's always little things that you have to do, that you don't like to do, but it's gratifying. It's you make money. You can make as much or as little money as you want. As long as you have the tools that can help you. So now today with the internet and with all the tools that exist, you can do just about anything. And in some of the upcoming videos, I'm going to talk to you about some of those tools. Or if you buy my book, The Courage to Change, then I will automatically introduce you to some of the people that I work with who are helping me to get really, really good results that years ago I could have never imagined that would have been possible. And so I'm saying this to say this. If you feel stuck in a job that you don't like, or maybe you do like it, or maybe you just feel like, you know what, Tone, I don't know if I should leave this because this is really, really good job security, you know what I'm saying? And I got a family to take care of. And I would never say just leave something without having a plan, okay? I would never advise you to do that. That's dangerous, it's reckless, and it's irresponsible. But start studying now. Believe this, it is possible. I will say that in 97% of all cases, okay, because there's always some reason that for somebody it might not be possible. But there's a 97% chance in my eyes that if you can find what it is you want if you can make that your profession, and not if you can, when you make that your profession, you will make money. And I hope for you that you'll be helping people in the process, because if you, anything that you sell is going to be something that's going to help to solve a problem, right? If you find a problem to solve and you can solve that problem and you can sell that package, then you can make that a profession, okay? Anyway, so if you're stuck someplace and you want to get out and you want to do something different, but you're not sure what to do, maybe I can help you. I wrote a book. It's called The Courage to Change. It's designed to help you to figure out exactly what you want. That's the first section. It'll help you to figure out exactly what you want in life. And I take you through a 5-step process in the beginning to help you to figure that out. And then I take you through the rest of the steps that will help you to actually really make a concrete plan for you so that you know exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it and who can help you and the time that it's going to take and how much money you're going to need and all that stuff, okay? So if that sounds interesting to you, if that sounds like something that you need, then just come see me. There's links here underneath this video. Come see me, come get the book, and at least get started, okay? And always remember, this is the perfect combination. Finding something you love, making it a profession, helping people, and making money at it. What better combination could there be?